Eastern Kurdistan gripped by general strike. Thursday, January 8th, 2026, cities across eastern Kurdistan, Rojhelat, observed a widespread general strike today, following a joint call by 7 Kurdish political groups. The strike was held in solidarity with ongoing nationwide protests in Iran and to condemn state violence reported in the regions of Kermanshah, Ilam, and Lorestan. According to the latest information received by the media center of the Democratic Party of Iranian Kurdistan, PDKI, shops and marketplaces have been closed in multiple cities, including Urmia, Sanandaj, Sakez, Bukan, Mariwan, Mahabad, Ravansar, Oshnave, Bana, Piranshah, Rabat, Pava, and Kermanshah. Reports indicate a significant slowdown and disruption of internet services across cities in eastern Kurdistan. In cities such as Sakez, Bukan, and Mariwan, eyewitnesses say large numbers of plainclothes security forces have been deployed, reportedly attempting to prevent the filming and photographing of the strike. Police units have also been stationed at major intersections. In several locations, shop owners reportedly received phone calls from authorities ordering them to reopen their businesses. Additionally, sources report drone flights over the skies of some Kurdish cities. The current wave of protests in Iran began on December 28, 2025, when merchants in Tehran's Grand Ran Bazaar went on strike in response to the sharp devaluation of the national currency, soaring inflation, and rising prices of basic goods. The economic protests quickly escalated into street demonstrations and, in many cities, evolved into open criticism of government policies and slogans against the political system and its leaders. On Tuesday, January 6, 2026, the Center for Dialogue and Cooperation, a coalition comprising the Kurdistan Freedom Party, Party for a Free Life in Kurdistan, Kabat Organization of Iranian Kurdistan, Komala Organization of the Kurdistan Communist Party of Iran, Komala of Kurdistan Toilers, Revolutionary Komala of Kurdistan Toilers of Iran, and the Democratic Party of Iranian Kurdistan, issued a public call for a general strike in Kurdistan to support the nationwide protests and denounce the government's actions in western Iran. Gina Media.
هەژدەی بەفرامباری بانە، نە بۆ کۆماری هێران و نە بۆ ڕەزا پەهلەوی. هەژدەی بەفرامباری بانە، نە بۆ
کابران هەژدەی بەفرامبار بەهانەچوونی مانگرتنی گشتی بۆ پاڵپشتی لە بەشی ڕۆژهەڵاتی خوار و هیوادارم ئەم مانگرتنە لە هەموو شارەکانە بەردەوام بێت و هەر سەرکەوتن
لەماکو هەتاکو لۆڕستان ڕۆژهەڵاتی کوردستان. ئەمەیە دەنگ و ڕەنگی ڕۆژهەڵات. سڵاو بوو کامێرانی سەربەرز، سڵام بوو شاری کاک سدیقی کەمانگەر، شەهید سالاری ئیبراهیمی، شەهید فواد، شەهید برهان، شەهید کاک فەرزادی کەمانگەر.
من جاكانه